In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix monitor no signal but computer is on and monitor black screen. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. A no signal message usually means your monitor is looking for a video feed that the PC hasn't properly handed off yet. This is often caused by a driver hang or a physical port mismatch. So if your PC is on and your keyboard lights up, your graphics driver likely crashed during the boot process. So what you want to do is press Windows key, Control, Shift, and B simultaneously. Upon doing this, you should hear a beep and see the monitor flicker. This forces Windows to rescan for all connected displays and restart the graphics driver as well. Now, if you recently moved your PC, you might have plugged the HDMI or display port into the motherboard's integrated graphics port, and many Windows 11 CPUs disable these ports by default if the dedicated GPU is detected, resulting in a no signal message. And Windows might be trying to output a resolution or refresh rate that your monitor can't handle, so press Windows P like so, and then press P again straight after, and this cycles through PC screen only, duplicate, and extend. You can keep doing this every 5 seconds to see if the signal snaps back into range. And what you can also do is turn off your PC and monitor, unplug all the power cables for both devices, unplug the HDMI port or display port from both ends as well, then hold the power button on your PC for 30 seconds while unplugged, then plug everything back in and turn it on. This forces a fresh hardware detection.